Hi, I'm Tristin Gagnon. I'm a second-year apprentice of concrete forming. The workloads, I find it very good. It's not too strenuous, but it's busy. You're not standing around waiting for stuff to do. I thought that when I came into this that they would expect you to know a lot of the stuff, but they really take their time in teaching you and letting you ask questions and giving you time to figure stuff out. My favorite part of the classroom experience would probably be learning all the different types of form work, because there's so many different kinds, and there's a lot of safety to do with your surroundings on the job site. So learning all that stuff and trying to memorize all that is difficult, but it gives you a little bit of a challenge. Instructors are awesome. They're very knowledgeable. They teach you a bunch of little tricks to the trade that the books don't teach you. So the books will teach you one way, and then the instructors can give you little tips to make it easier for yourself and make it safer for you and safer for others around you. In the classroom, we always work in partnerships, so we'll never be alone on a project because a lot of the form work's heavy. You always need help carrying stuff. And same thing at the job site. You always have someone to work with. You're never working alone. In case you got hurt, there's always someone around in case something happened, because construction's dangerous. If you're thinking it's too hard, it's really not, because the instructors, they really take the time to teach you, let you ask questions. If you have trouble with something, they'll help you and explain it better or in a way that you understand. You learn at your own pace.